Let's learn how to place two videos either on top of each other or side by side using CapCut. If you've seen videos on TikTok or Instagram where two clips play simultaneously side by side, I'll show you how to make one. First, open the CapCut app on your device and create a new project. Start by adding a video as usual. I'll be using my CapCut timeline video. Now, let's add the second video. Before doing that, select the aspect ratio. If you're uploading to TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, choose the TikTok aspect ratio. But if you're uploading to YouTube and want a widescreen format, select that option. The method for adding two videos side by side is the same for both aspect ratios. Once the aspect ratio is set, tap on your video to ensure it's selected in the timeline. Drag it up until it fills the first half of your screen. Now, find and click the Overlay button. Then, choose the Add Overlay option, which will open your camera roll. Select the second video you want to use and add it to your project. You may need to zoom in or out to fit the second video into the screen, then place it below the first one. That's how you can position two videos together. If you want to select a specific part of the second video, tap on it, find the Transform button at the bottom, then choose Crop. Now, you can select the portion of the video you want for your side-by-side project. Another method is using mask effect. To do that, select the overlay video, scroll down until you find the mask button, tap on it. Now, select the horizontal. A bar appears on the screen. Just go ahead and drag this bar to your desired location. You can adjust the size and position of the background screen to have the perfect outline. Once you hit the play button, you'll see both videos playing side by side. Good luck with creating your TikToks and Instagram Reels, and I'll see you soon!